All right, Jack, get in the back with him.
Get in there, Jack.
Jack's a small twink.
What's up, gangbangers? It's me, Josh, and today we're going to be attending the National LGBTQ+ Orgy Festival. Do you play Roblox? Hey!
Good job.
Whoa.
Stop! Get the window down! Get in position!
Speed up, speed up! My God! Oh, just put the window down!
Yeah, just leave it crack. Just leave it go up a little bit. Let me see.
Let me grab my bikini. I'm on my way.
No fucking way!
No fucking way. Giggity, giggity, fucking goo, nigga.
No fucking way!
It wasn't the MILF.
No?
Open the front. I have conquered the fucking ocean, and I will do it again. Ah! Oh! Oh, fucking so cold! Oh, get me out of here!
There's a boat out there.
Look at my nipple. It's pierced. No. Get on more. Oh, shit! With the GoPro, because I live life on the edge, okay? Oh shit! Woo! My life just flashed before my eyes. I tried to go out as far as I could, and I got caught in the rip. Boys, I was screaming for the lifeguard. I thought I was gonna die. That was the craziest adrenaline rush I have ever felt.
Release set you off for
So I ended up taking a shit, and this plopped out. I'm not sure what it means, but I'm pretty sure.
Wait, you ate it?
Dude, I shit that out.
Way.
Cougar alert.
That way.
What are you gonna do about it?
I didn't walk this way.
Give me some.
Everybody. you do the second one? I knew you like black guys. I knew it.
I don't like black guys, but like I'm not gonna date a guy that's fucking pretzel.
Clip. It's gonna go on my Roblox porn page.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, I got a lot of. No, you're not getting fucking paid. You're a woman. My fault.
Hey, buddy.
Buddy. You can't call me buddy.
I can call you buddy.
You're supposed to say yes, King.
Yes, Kate.
Yes, he does.
He wants to know how much it would be to score some anal.
Yeah, Big Girl wants to know how much it would cost to duck in your butthole.
How much would he have to pay?
Yeah.
200.
200?
Yeah.
You're underscoring your booty hole.
Yeah, you could stretch at least 315 out of that thing.
Yeah.
What?
Dude, you're like 250 for anal? Dude, that's like a rich guy's wet dream as a broke college bitch. You gotta charge more. I'm gonna pimp you out. You gotta give me 10%.
500 then.
500? That's perfect.
That's a little
500 for
hefty.
anal.
For how long?
Yeah, for how long though? Like until they finish, however long they want, or like
However long they want.
Are we doing by time?
they said
or by
however long they
ejaculate?
want. Okay. Condom or no condom? We gotta figure this out for the pimp status.
Condom.
Ooh.
That might be a problem.
Yeah, we're gonna have to lower you to 50 bucks.
And raw.
Raw? Okay, we could do the 500. We could do the 500. We could sell you off.
You have to use lube though.
Lube? Are you fucking pussy? There are Africans out there rubbing sand in their pussy. So anyways, have you ever had a train ran on you?
No.
Would you be
Well-
interested?
Well, Sawyer, everybody, wait. Boom. Chugga, choo-choo, motherfucker. My buddy Sawyer's dreaming about you. He's having a wet dream.
Are you dead ass?
Yeah. So then, can I pimp you out to like random Indian men?
Indian men?
Yeah, you don't have a say though.
It's gonna be 70-30.
What if I just jizz in like a turkey baster and just
Crash, I'm not wearing a seatbelt.
it's like I got your nose, but with
It won't work.
it won't work. Did you do this by yourself already? Did you try to baby trap somebody?
No, cause I
Shut the fuck
take
up.
this stuff.
Can I see this?
No, she's showing me birth control.
Let me see it.
I take this stuff.
No! My phone! They took my phone away. Like gone. Bye-bye. I'm seeing red. Ah.
Look at this idiot. Look at his pants. Oh my god. Wait, dude, look how perfectly this kid is.
Send that to
Send that to me too. I need that.
I gotta get him on the neck, bro. Thank you so much, Josh.
I took pictures.
This right here is gonna be a
Dude,
lifesaver,
I'm
bro.
not showing up. The last picture.
Bro's getting me good.
There you go.
Thank you so much, Josh.
No problem. I need to wash my hands when I get in there. This shit was filthy.
This is despicable aim. Yeah, get sturdy. Oh,
My game bitch go mental. I'm in that Wi-Fi and we so digital. I'm really high, but this shit so little. And I'm in the league and they passive physical. I'm geeked up mixing chemicals. Molly my favorite mineral. Shotty my favorite typical. I ain't fucking with anybody. You know I be focused on dollar bills. But if I ain't playing my money, know somebody pulling up.